So the OnePlus 9 Pro has a brand new incremental update, that is OxygenOS 11.2.9.9, and in this update there are some updates related to system and a brand new X-Pen mode which is directly taken from the Hasselblad cameras. Well, without wasting any more time, let us get on with this video. So this is my OnePlus 9 Pro, and going to settings and about device, we can see that it is running on OxygenOS 11.2.8.8 with the Android security patch of July 2021. Now going to settings and then system updates, we can see that the official update is available for my device. Let us now click on download and it will start downloading this brand new update. Now that the download is completed, it will automatically install this update as well. After the installation is completed, let us now click on Reboot to reboot the device and finalize this brand new update. Now that our device is successfully rebooted, let us now go to settings, and here you can see that the device is successfully updated to OxygenOS 11.2.9.9. Now clicking on Android version, we can see that the Android security patch is the latest, that is September 2021. Let us now go through the changelog of this brand new update. Firstly, under System, optimize the wireless charging experience. This update is still a mystery and not any visual changes available. I really expected OnePlus to change the Warp Charge font with this update, as this looks so plain on my OnePlus 9 Pro. Next, updated Android security patch to September 2021. This I have already mentioned earlier. Next, fix known issues and improve the stability of this device. Secondly, under camera, newly added X-Pen mode. This is a brand new mode which is directly taken from the Hasselblad cameras. The viewfinder has a brand new look. Now going to camera, we can see that there is a brand new pop-up to choose the X-Pen mode. Swiping up, we can see the brand new X-Pen mode as well. Clicking on it, we are greeted with a brand new viewfinder. There are limited controls for now. There are two different focal lengths of 30mm and 45mm that can be used depending on that shot. And finally, sliding up and down on the viewfinder, we can change the exposure of the shot. Now, let us take a picture in this brand new mode. So setting the phone and clicking on the shutter button, we can see that the shot in the viewfinder initially displays a negative film which develops into an image and is then saved to the gallery. If you feel this negative film only appears in the black and white mode, you will be mistaken, as when you click the picture in the color mode, even then the viewfinder freezes on the negative film and then gives a color image at the end, which is then saved to gallery. The images taken have a unique 65:24 aspect ratio, which is similar to Hasselblad cameras. The images taken in X-Pen mode are cropped by the 48 megapixel main camera and the 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. Now that the changelog is out of the way, let us now go through the device to see if there are any other changes done to the same. Firstly, going to the OnePlus Launcher, we can see that the version is still the same, that is 5.1.12. So there are no new features added to this launcher. Well, the switch between the OnePlus Shelf and the Google Discover page is still not available on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Next, going to the app information of the camera, we can see that the version has been upgraded from 6.2.91 to 6.2.113. This change is related to the brand new X-Pen mode that is available in the app. Finally, let us check the Geekbench scores for the OnePlus 9 Pro after the OxygenOS 11.2.9.9 update. So here are the scores after the update. Now, let us see the scores before the update. As you can see that there is a decrease in the multi-core score after the update. Now, let us check the AnTuTu benchmark scores for this device. Well, as you can see, the scores before the update is 6,48,121. Now, let us check the scores after the update. Well, there is a decrease in the benchmark scores after the update, as the score now is 6,29,086. But as I have always mentioned earlier, these benchmark scores are just on-paper scores and don't really translate to the everyday life. So that is it for today. If you have any query or questions about this brand new update, you can always reach out to me in the comment section down below. And if you want to be up to date with all the latest OnePlus devices and updates as well, you should definitely hit the subscribe button right now. And I will see you very soon.